What's up, everybody? It's Jason Cruz here once again with another episode of The Legal Submission. It's been a while, but we're back at it for the end of 2024. And in this legal submission, we take another look back at the Ryan Garcia, Devin Haney lawsuit, in which Haney had filed a lawsuit against Garcia and Golden Boy Promotions, indicating fraud and battery and unjust enrichment on the part of Garcia and Golden Boy. Now, specifically, the battery claim relates to Ryan Garcia and their fight that happened this past April. As you might recall, Haney and Garcia fought in New York in April. Garcia acted very odd during fight week. He missed weight by 3.5 pounds. He chugged a beer on the scale allegedly, and we all thought, most people thought, that Garcia was out of his mind, which could be correct. And we all thought that Haney was going to win. Most of us, anyway. Garcia came back the next night after the weigh-ins and soundly beat Haney. Now that fight was overturned by the New York State Athletic Commission after it was found out that Garcia tested positive for a banned substance. Now, the fight was changed to a known contest, but Haney is, of course, filing this lawsuit, which he did in September, claiming that Garcia was unjustly enriched from the fight because he did not adhere to the fight restrictions, the weight restrictions, and the battery claim arises out of the fact that Haney believes that the fight he signed up for was with a fighter that was not taking any type of banned substances, and in fact the New York State Athletic Commission testing found out that he was. So that's where we are. The Garcia had and Golden Boy both had their opportunities to respond to this lawsuit. Golden Boy denied all of the allegations. Golden Boy, in a legal filing, denied all of the allegations against the promotion. Now, Ryan Garcia also denied, but also added a counterclaim. So basically saying he's suing back the Haneys or Devin Haney in this particular lawsuit. Now, the counterclaims, if you look at Garcia's legal filings, they specifically relate to Bill Haney's tweets, social media posts about Ryan Garcia and him being afraid of taking a rematch against Haney. Apparently Garcia doesn't want to fight Haney, rematch Haney, and is looking for bigger and better things, allegedly. Garcia has filed the counterclaims for abuse of process and torturous interference with prospective economic advantage. Now, the abuse of process is an interesting little civil claim here, simply because you don't see it that much. You see it being threatened, but you don't see an actual filing of it. An abuse of process relates to the fact that a party is taking advantage of another party through the use of things like filing a lawsuit. So Garcia is claiming that the Haneys are attempting to use the court system as a way to force Garcia into a rematch with Haney. There are, as you see, varying tweets from Bill Haney where he goes after Ryan Garcia specifically, and the fact that he is claiming that Garcia had to cheat to beat Haney. Now, the torturous interference claim relates to the fact that Garcia believes that he has other options out there to fight, whether it's boxing or whatnot, and Haney is blocking those efforts by claiming through the social media posts and things like that, by making these claims against Garcia, going after him. And Garcia claims in the papers that his valuable relationships with other professional boxers and boxing promoters have been damaged. Garcia claimed that the lawsuit was malicious and done with reckless disregard of the fact that the conduct would damage Garcia's opportunities with third parties. So meaning that the fact that this is almost like a defamation claim in which he's claiming that Bill Haney, specifically Devin Haney also, are casting these aspersions on Garcia, which Garcia proclaims not to be true. Regardless, they're harming Garcia's ability to enter into other business propositions, relationships with other organizations, fighters, promoters, etc., to make a living. So with that, you can Haney has 30 days to respond to these allegations. He can file he can deny all the allegations, and they could go to discovery and do depositions and things of that nature, or he could file a motion to dismiss his counterclaim, saying that there's no basis of fact within those allegations. This is obviously Ryan Garcia and his whatever issues he may have. He's experiencing legal issues as well. Logan Paul, as you recall, his Prime company is suing Ryan Garcia for statements he made through social media. And now we see some more legal issues here with Haney's lawsuit, and now subsequent countersuit by Garcia. I don't know if there is real merit in Garcia's claims, more that it's just a way to irritate and annoy the Haneys through the legal process. We will see what shall become of it. But it comes to a greater question about what's going on with Ryan Garcia. Is he okay? Does he care that these legal things are happening? Obviously, he has the money to pay a lawyer, or lawyers in this case, to defend him in court. But we see that this case seems to be filed with the undertones that everything could be rectified with a rematch between Haney and Garcia. Whether or not that happens, we shall see. But we will keep track of this fight in court as time goes on. Once again, this is Jason Cruz with a legal submission. Have a good one.